Another shader is Falloff. Make sure that you are in standard render setting and then holding your mouse, and you can create new standard material. In new standard material, in a color, you can assign in effects Falloff Shader. We are going to explain all of these lists. Falloff Shader. This is a Falloff Shader. It's like a gradient, but a little bit different. To make a better understanding of that, I duplicate this elephant here and create two material of that. Material number 1 to this is an elephant with a fall off, and another material to another elephant with simple gradient. I want to explain difference between gradient and the fall off. This is the gradient because in the Falloff shader we have something like gradient that you can choose a color for that. You can see difference. And also in here we have another gradient with this color again. So you can see the first thing difference between them. For example, you make them 3D spherical. You have to choose all of these settings to better fitting the 3D gradient on the object. But the Falloff automatically look at the normal and the object, and you can see it's automatically fit all the objects with their normals, and it fits perfectly on a 3D object. So the Falloff is a gradient, but special for 3D object that has an organic shape like this. You can see we have a simple gradient here that we cannot fit it perfectly on object, but the Falloff, it's like a closest view perfectly on the object. So this is the main difference. Coming back to Falloff, the Falloff settings, you have a direction. You can make the direction 0 and create a direction on the other part. You can see it's very nice, and it's look at the normals, and it's a very different way to create. Or you can make it a 0 direction at the Z. You can create something like this. Or any color that you want, you can create it. In this case, the y-axis is nice. And a space in an object, word, or camera, it's based on a camera. You can see it. Or based on an object, it's bring exactly at the object. Or word, it's between the two words. You can, let's delete these. In a word means if you change the object, the texture is somewhere here. But if you choose it in an object, it's exactly snapped to the object, and it does not very important that where is your object based on the word of the software. So the space is object. With bump, can activate or deactivate it. If you have a bump on your channel that I explained later, you can activate it if you want, and you can choose the color of your gradient here. So again, Falloff is a nice gradient effect or gradient shader, especially for organic shape like this.